Once upon a time, there were two cats had a deep friendship. One day, they found a loaf of bread. So the two fought each other. One would say that I will eat, and the other would say that I will eat. The two cats fought and reached under a tree. A monkey was sitting on a top of a tree. Seeing the cats fighting, the monkey came down and said, I will judge you. The monkey took a scale, cut the bread in half, and put it in the slices of the scale. The bread turned out to be a little bigger in one slice. Cut off a piece of it to make it even. Now the bread of second layer is more. To make up for it, the monkey also took a bite out of it. All the bread in the cycle of distributing the monkey bread after eating, he climbed back into the tree. While the cats were left looking at it, good justice was done. By quarreling like this, they lost themselves and also their bread, and there was hostility. Moral: you should use your common sense. Fighting takes a toll.